Hi everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're starting summer off just right. A brand new delicious creamy cucumber dressing. We're going to be using this in another video later in the week, but today we're focusing on the dressing and I can't wait to show you how this all comes together. We're going to be making a creamy cucumber salad dressing, and this is perfect for any summer salad. Again, an option that is not ranch. This is super fresh, it's delicious, and I'm going to be using it in an upcoming video, so stay tuned for that. But today we're going to be making the dressing. If you're going to make a creamy cucumber dressing, you got to have cucumbers. So what I have here is 3 Persian cucumbers. Now, the Persian cucumbers are the smaller ones. They're very tender. They have very few seeds, and you can also substitute out about a half of an English cucumber. Just cut the ends off and then you can use about half. You can see I have about 1.5 cups here of those. I used 3 Persian cucumbers. I've got a cup of Greek yogurt. That's just plain Greek yogurt. I also have a cup of buttermilk. Now you can use non-fat, you can use full fat. Today I'm using full fat. This recipe is keto and low carb friendly, so if you are on that train, feel free to indulge. I have about a cup of diced onion. This is half of a medium-sized sweet onion. And then I have about 1/4 cup of fresh dill that I roughly chopped, 1/4 cup of fresh chives that I chopped, a tablespoon of minced garlic. So this is going to be about 2 cloves of garlic if you're mincing your own, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper and a teaspoon of kosher salt. You can adjust that to your preference, and that's how we're going to get started. So I'm just going to go ahead and add all of these ingredients into the vessel of my shake blender. So there goes the Greek yogurt, our buttermilk, and then we're just going to add in everything else. Our onion, our cucumber. Oh, I forgot too. There's 1/4 cup of lemon juice in here as well. Just go ahead and screw on your blade, and then we'll pop it on the machine and we'll let it do its magic.
You do this in a regular blender?
You can do this in a regular blender if that's what you have. Feel free. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and give it a taste. And if I find that it's too acidic, I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of agave nectar. And I did not overblend this, I just blended it just enough. So let me grab a spoon. It's really pretty too. It's almost like, looks like a green goddess almost. That's perfect for me. Mm-hmm. I really like that.
Could even be a little tangier.
You think? Mm-hmm. I like more lemon juice. Mm-hmm. If you want to add more lemon juice, or even if you want to add a splash of white wine vinegar in here, go for it. I think I'm going to leave it right where it is. So I'm going to go ahead and build a little salad for you guys, and we'll drizzle this over and I'll be right back and I'll show you what it looks like. Well, there you have it. Our creamy cucumber dressing is all ready to go. I made a little side salad, probably going to eat it for lunch today. It just has some romaine lettuce, a little shaved carrot, some grape tomatoes, and some cucumbers, because you gotta have cucumbers in your salad, even if it's in your dressing. So I went ahead and I dressed it a little bit, but you can see how beautiful this is. It's not too thick. It's like some dressings I think are really, really thick. And some dressings I like that way, like Thousand Island dressing, I like fairly thick. But this is easy to drizzle, and it's gonna be delicious. It's full of goodness, so much flavor and freshness with all that dill and chive and onion, and I can't wait to taste it. So, you wanna taste this, babe?
Okay.
Okay, there you go.
It's nice and refreshing.
Mm-hmm. If you wanted to mix this up without the buttermilk and just use 2 cups of plain yogurt, or a cup of plain yogurt and a cup of sour cream, you would have a delicious dip that you could use to dip vegetables in, or you could put it on top of a piece of steamed or grilled salmon, and it would be the most perfect accompaniment for that. This would go great on top of grilled fish or grilled chicken if you made the thicker version. I'll leave notes for how you can adjust it for a thicker version for a sauce or a dip as opposed to a dressing in the recipe that I leave on my website, and there'll be a link down below the video where you can access that. That is how you make creamy cucumber dressing. If you liked today's video, please consider giving me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my kitchen, you wandered on over to see what was going on, welcome. I love having new friends join me. Be sure and hit the subscribe button. And as always, if you're a tried and true member of the Noreen's Kitchen family, please be sure and hit the bell notification button so that you will get a push notification on your smart device or a message in your email box every time we upload a new video, because we don't want you to miss out on all the real food for real people, real easy recipes that we present all the time right here on our YouTube channel and straight from our kitchen. I hope you give this creamy cucumber dressing a try sometime soon, and I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.